Hey everyone! Having trouble with your USB drive not showing up or being recognized in Windows 10? Let's dive in. Troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Unplug the USB drive and try connecting it to a different USB port on your computer. Sometimes it's a port issue. Step 2. If that doesn't work, restart your computer. A simple reboot can sometimes fix recognition problems. Step 3. Try connecting the USB drive to another computer to check if it's an issue with the drive itself. Step 4. Update your USB drivers by going to Device Manager, finding the USB section, and selecting Update Driver. Step 5. Consider using a different USB cable or checking for physical damage on the drive. Tip for data recovery. If the drive still isn't recognized, you might need to use data recovery software or consult a professional service to retrieve any important data stored on the USB drive. And there you have it, a few troubleshooting steps to resolve the USB drive not showing up in Windows 10. Hopefully, one of these fixes works for you. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.